morning everyone, and welcome to the Hilton Garden Inn in Trivandrum. So we're staying here for 3 nights. Our first night, actually, we didn't get here till near enough 5 a.m. and then we've just stayed the night, and they've just made up the room, so I thought I would come in and do a quick tour of the rooms. Let's start in the bathroom. You come in, there's a walk-in shower, and they provide you with shampoo, shower gel and conditioner, which is great. And when we were here 7 years ago, it used to be all the little tiny bottles, so I think that's really handy. And then you have your toilet, bin, washer as well, emergency phone, because you always need a phone in the toilet, towels. Then you have the vanity unit. Hello. Again, you have soap and body lotion here. And then you can see all our stuff. I haven't fully unpacked because obviously we're only here for a short time before we move on. We've got 2 shelves. There is a hairdryer here. Hairdryer. Okay. Front door. We're on the 6th floor, so you get a huge mirror to see yourself in. Fantastic. Hey, Maya.
Hi.
Wardrobe. Decent size, isn't it, Maya? Hey?
This is my wobble.
Yeah, you've got your woggle for the pool. So you've got an ironing board there in the corner. We've just popped one of our cases in there so it's out of the way. Hey.
I just got one.
I've got a little luggage stand out. So we've got our other case on there. Maya, can you just pick up your things so I don't trip over them? Okay. You get complimentary water, which is safe to drink, a kettle, glasses, teas, coffees, sugar. We've got a large double bed. Let me just turn some of these lights off here. We've got your phone. And then obviously we have a spare bed for May, which I have to pay extra. I think it works out about 1,000 rupees, I think, a night.
Hi,
which is basically £10, I think.
Hi, I'm riding my horse.
Are you?
I'm just going to be so spectacular.
Yep, so another side table. Just turn this light off again. Little shelf storage unit. Maya's extra bed. I've obviously pushed it here so we've got enough room to walk around. Large desk. And all the PowerPoints. There's a multiple, so you can use UK sockets here if you're wondering. So UK sockets do work. You've obviously got European as well. So they can use multiple ones. Desk chair. Just move this out of the way. Then this is our view. Looking out onto the city. When we were here 7 years ago, we were further down this corridor. We were just further down there. I think we were like 617 or something. So we're actually on the same floor in the same location. We can see the pool down there. A really old building over there as well. Very old building. Looks like it's starting to disintegrate, unfortunately. All the greenery. It's nice and quiet. I'll give you a view from this angle as well. Picture of the backwaters. Just be careful, Maya.
Hi, I'm ready.
Are you going to say goodbye?
Bye. Hi.
No, say bye.
No.
And say thanks for watching the vlog.
Hi. I just watching the vlog, and now you get to say bye. Bye, Jolly Frog.
Okay. That concludes the tour of the room. I'll probably do a little bit of the hotel as well, maybe later on today as we're heading out. I'll just do a quick little walk around, show you the pool area as well, but it's just a bit too full at the moment, so I'll avoid it so we're not getting people on there. But yeah, I'll catch you later.